Guys, I did a thing. Okay, so some of you guys may know that Bath & Body has recently come out with a Disney edition. So don't mind the bag literally ripped open because it's so jam-packed with stuff, but we're gonna show you it all today. First, I wanted to save you guys a little bit of a hassle, so I went out there and got some of the bigger ticket items. But first, I wanted to kind of point out the smaller items we have. So right now they have a buy 3 get 1 free. So I was only able to get Moana, Jasmine, Tiana, and Belle in these flavors scents, I guess. These are little body sprays. They're compact. I think they were like 10 bucks a pop. So do the math on that. It was a lot. But I didn't only get the little little spray bottles. I got more. And not only did I get the small perfumes, but we also had to get the wallflowers. So a lot of these scents you're gonna think I'm a little biased with. In the sense I'm missing one.
One eternity later.
Alright, now we got them all. And not only did we get all the perfumes in those scents, we also got them in the wallflowers. Now, I pretty much got every wallflower because they were only $3.97, except Cinderella. I could not do Cinderella. Don't know what it was. It's a nice scent. It smells good. it didn't vibe with me. I didn't want my house smelling like it, so we cut her from the list. Sorry, Cindy. But we did get Tiana. So this one, it smells like it's like lilies, but it's kind of like, I want to say like a woodsy, kind of like vanilla-y. I don't know. It's really sweet. It's pretty. I like it. Belle is definitely very vanilla-y. It's very sweet. I was expecting when they said rose for it to be like, I don't know, rosy, but it actually smells really good. Moana, I was kind of disappointed at. I was expecting Island Paradise, like you put it on, feel like you're at the beach, putting on lotion. Nah, she's like more of a nature kind of island. Like the smell of the island itself, not just like beach lotion, which makes sense. Then we got Ariel, of course. So I got the Ariel Mist. Really? Cool it down. Then we got Ariel, of course, because how could I not? This one, it kind of just, it's supposed to be like an ocean breeze, but it just kind of smells like fresh. It's fresh, but it's not very like sweet, and I like sweet scents, so I didn't really like it, but I had to get it, so here we are. And Princess Jasmine, it kind of grew on me. I didn't like it at first. It was very wood kind of smelling. Like I didn't like the muskiness of it, but as I left the store, I had it on my hands as a lotion. It hit me just completely different, and I was obsessed. So I literally ran back into the store and had to get more. So Jasmine, I think, is one of my favorites. It's between that and Tiana, to be honest. But we're gonna keep opening things up because that's what we're here for. And I totally bought more. Help. Okay, and they were also having the same sale, buy 3 get 1 free with the larger products. So I didn't really get any of the mists because we already got them in the smaller versions, but we kind of went with similar vibes. We got Belle in the lotion because the vanilla scent, I like the sweetness, kind of vibed with me. Moana I bought just because I like the idea of the island kind of smell. It is very perfumey though. I don't know if I like it on as like a full body lotion. I did try it last night. It was giving me a little bit of a headache, but I put like all across my whole body. Maybe that was a little mistake. Maybe I should do a little less next time. But we got it. We got a lot of it, so we better use it. Tiana we got as the dish soap because I picture this being perfect in my kitchen as my soap. It honestly goes great in my bathroom too. I like it. It kind of almost smells like a clean, like it would be a soap cleanser kind of thing. So it kind of works with that one. And then lastly, we got our Ariel. This is in the body shimmer. So the bottle, I was kind of like wanting the bell because it looked gold, but the lady at the front did warn me that it is just pretty much a mixture of silver and gold sparkles in all of them, and they're all the same. That's just like the perfume that's changing the color. So it's not actually going to go on my skin blue, so we're going to try it here. That was a lot. You just see the wetness right now, but we'll come back to that. That was a lot. See, now I smell fresh. This dress smells fresh. It feels like fresh laundry. I don't know what it is. It does smell like an ocean breeze, but it's a fresh smell. I do like it, but wow, it's still wet. We'll come back to that. Next, we're gonna move on to the wallflower section, okay? So first up is Moana. I had to get this one because look at it. The sparkles, everything about it is so beautiful. Plus, it also looks wonderful in the dark. It actually goes in the dark, looks like the heart of Tafiti. I love it. It looks great. It was like $24. But I'm definitely going to be using this in the summer. This is going to be my go-to scent thing. And they also have the little button on the side to control how much of the scent actually comes out. So I'm going to probably keep this on the minimum just to, you know, stretch these scents a little bit longer because I have a smaller room, and when I do use my regular ones, it's very overpowering. So happy that they have the control. I look forward to using that. Now there are a lot of the wallflowers that we did not buy. Those are, I'm going to show you. So they are all beautiful. Every one of them, I wanted them all. I especially wanted the Ariel because of the tail, and again, I kind of vibe with Ariel. And the bell, the rose, it was really, I really wanted it, and I heard it was sold out online too, but I had to draw a line somewhere. I was already getting so much. So I'm going to show you the wallflower we actually got out of all of these, okay? Trust me, it's worth it. It is totally worth it. Let me get it. So the other wallflower we got was the castle. So this one is extra special. Not only does it light up, but there's actual little star cutouts in the back that the light shines onto the wall and projects it. So it looks beautiful just like this when it's on the wall. I'm obsessed. As much as I love it, it probably will annoy me a little bit when I'm trying to sleep because it's going to be pretty bright. It's a good night light, so it's good for the hallway or by the bathroom type thing. But yeah, this castle, I'm in love. It is more than all the other wallflowers, and it still does have the control. I'm not sure how the control really works on this one. I have to probably read instructions. But yeah, apparently it has a control somewhere. It's not the button that the other ones have. If it doesn't, I'm going to be a little disappointed because this one, it was twice as much as the other ones. So I better figure it out. Anyway, the big ticket item, well, let's just show you. Okay, so this is the big item that I got. It is, let me just pull this styrofoam out very obnoxiously. I'm gonna drop this, aren't I? I would cry if I dropped this. So this was not only sold out at multiple locations, but there were only 3 left in that store. So, boom. I got the castle in the glass dome. I'm just gonna take it out here for you guys. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm obsessed. Like this is like the main center of my bathroom from now on. Not only is it the castle, but it does light up. So it can hold the candles perfectly, any of the triple candles, Or I could just hold anything because it's got a little lip here and I can literally hold jewelry or whatever I want on top, which is amazing, but I'm obsessed with it. It's gorgeous. This little puppy here was like $73, so out of the two, it was between this and the carriage. I don't like the style of the carriage, and this I find would be easier to clean anyway for the dust and dog hair and things like that. Would be a lot safer option for me. But yeah. I might have overdone it a little bit. But which one was your favorite? Which would you get out of this collection, or what are you planning to get out of this collection? Let me know in the comments below. And I do apologize, I was wanting some of the sanitizer packets. I was mainly going for the Ariel and the processing. I was going for the Ariel one and the Belle one because it's got the mirror, but it lights up and then it shows her silhouette, but they weren't selling either of those at this location, so I might go do a drive around the town to look for them, but maybe with my next check because this one was a little excessive. I hope you enjoyed this. If they do come out with a new line, I hope to do a part 2, and if I can afford more of these in the future, I would also love to do a part 2. But that's all we got for you today, and I hope you have a good day. Bye! Oh shit, it's still playing. Look at that. I'm supposed to show my chest yet. Hold on.